We're now going to cover the replace string method. So this has the same name as a regular method called replace, which we recently covered. But this is actually a different method, so str.replace. So this actually will replace substrings. This is different. So let's just say we want to replace senior with senior like this. And you can see that like that. So that has worked. Now, if you do title.replace, just normal replace without the str, so this is the normal replace method, it will not work unless you set regex equal to true, and then it will do the replacement of a substring. So this automatically works with regular expressions. This one does not. You have to actually set it over here. So, but very similar methods. This one gives you more, a few more specific things, but essentially very, very similar. The replace string method.